Hey guys, what's going on? This is a video on how to install Git version control system on your Windows machine using the built-in package manager called Winget in Windows 11. There are other ways of installing Git onto your Windows machine, but we'll be using Winget because it's much simpler and easier than hunting for the right installer on the internet. If you are running an older version of Windows or for some reason Winget is not available on your machine, you can head over to gitforwindows.org and download the installer from there. Once the download is complete, run it, and the rest is just as installing other applications on your system. To install it through Winget, open up a terminal window or PowerShell and type the following command: winget install git.git with a capital G. Hit enter and follow the prompts. To check if Git is installed properly on your system, type git --version onto a command prompt window, and this should return the version of Git installed on your machine. And with that, Git should be successfully installed on your machine. That's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.